Let's do the Taylor happy birthday song.
I don't even know.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Oh, this is your birthday song. Oh, celebration all night long. Oh, may all your dreams come true. We'll sing out together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday celebration. Let's just do this regular one. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Taylor. Happy birthday to you. Look, make a wish, hurry. Cough it out. Go. Next.
Yay, Taylor!
Can everyone have a candle?
Yes.
Yay.
Grab a candle, guys.
Pass me a candle.
Grab a candle. Grab a candle. She can have a candle. It's alright. She knows which side to lick. There you go, kiddo.
Yeah, it's like.
Everybody got a candle?
I
Want the candle?
don't want the candle.
Just one.
Let's go.
Let's cut that puppy.